So in today's session, we are going to discuss about the integration, and we'll see what exactly an integration, what is the use, what are the various scenarios which enforce you to go for integration, and how many ways are available to do the integration. What are the various types of integrations are available in the real world, not only specific to Salesforce. In general, how many ways are available to do the integration, and how to integrate the Salesforce applications with some third-party systems. And upon integration, Salesforce to the third-party system, what are the various APIs has been given by Salesforce by default, and how can we use those APIs? That means ready-made classes given by Salesforce to do the integration. And how can we integrate the Salesforce without writing the code? That means a declarative, programmatic, both. Declarative in the sense without writing the code, just by using some mouse pointers. Programmatic in the sense by using some programming, by writing some code with the help of some APIs which has been given by Salesforce. So both we'll see as part of this integration. How can we go with declarative integration? How can we go with programmatic integration? Both we'll see practically. Now, so let's see the concept of integration. So when coming to the Salesforce, that already you know that Salesforce is providing all the three classifications of cloud computing services. Salesforce is providing three classifications of cloud computing services. Like initially we have discussed in our initial classes that Salesforce is providing the SaaS services. That means some ready-made applications provided by Salesforce, which we can able to use to automate our business processes. Salesforce is providing the SaaS services. SaaS means what? Ready-made application. Salesforce is providing some set of ready-made applications which we can use to automate our business processes. So as part of SaaS, Salesforce has given a ready-made application called as Salesforce CRM. Salesforce CRM is a customer relationship management application or software which is used to automate all your customers' transactions, like all your customers' information and the interactions with the organization. All this information we can automate at one place by using Salesforce CRM. Because by using this Salesforce CRM, we can automate each and every interaction. That means from capturing the customer to till right now, what are the various interactions we had with the customer, the whole interactions. Like how many products the customer has purchased, how much revenue we have generated from that customer, and how many complaints the customer has raised, what kind of services we have offered, what kind of discounts we have offered, everything. The whole information we can automate at one place by using Salesforce CRM. So by using this Salesforce CRM, we can automate all the customers' information. Those may be new customers or existing customers also. All the customers' information we can able to automate at one place, and that we can maintain the 360-degree view of the customer at one place. That means the complete history of the customers we can able to manage at one place by using Salesforce CRM, which has been given by Salesforce ready-madely as part of SaaS. So by using this Salesforce CRM application, we can manage all our marketing processes, sales processes, and the service processes. We can able to automate which will be the part of our business, which will be the part of our organization. Now, but sometimes I'm not only using this Salesforce CRM, I would like to use some more applications. I need some other applications like as banking, finance, insurance, healthcare, like that. So then what we can do? But Salesforce is not offering all these domain-related applications. As of now, Salesforce is offering Salesforce CRM. But in future, Salesforce will introduce some banking applications also, financial applications also. But right now, they're not offering. So I want some banking applications. So for that reason, Salesforce is not only offering the SaaS, Salesforce is offering the platform also that is called as Force.com platform. Salesforce has introduced the Force.com platform. Not only providing the ready-made application, Salesforce CRM, Salesforce has given a platform also that is called as Force.com platform. Then what exactly the Force.com platform? Force.com platform is a cloud platform. It's a cloud platform. That means it's a development environment. It's a cloud-based development environment. It's a cloud-based development environment which is used to customize the applications, Whatever the CRM application has been given by Salesforce, as part of that CRM application, if it needs any changes, if you need any customizations according to your business requirements, according to your organization requirements, if you want to add some more additional features, if you want to build your own custom applications, at that time, we are using the help of Force.com platform. By using this Force.com platform, we can customize the existing CRM applications, and along with that, we can able to build our own applications also. The facilities available. So, as part of this Force.com platform, we can perform 4 operations basically. First one, we can customize the existing Salesforce CRM application. By using this Force.com platform, we can customize the existing Salesforce CRM application. That means, as part of Salesforce CRM, whatever the features has been given by Salesforce, we can able to customize according to our business requirements. According to our business needs, we can customize. Whatever the features you would like to use, we can make it visible on the user interface. Remaining features, we can able to make it hide. We can make that remaining components we can able to hide from that user interface, so that we can make that user interface very simple and very lightweight, so that we can customize those functionalities which have been given by Salesforce, okay, with the help of this Force.com platform. But sometimes whatever the features have been given by Salesforce as part of Salesforce CRM, those features may not be sufficient. I want some more additional features. So at that time, we can able to leverage or extend the features. By adding the additional enhancements. So not only customizing these existing features, we can add some more additional features also according to our business requirement. So now whatever the features has been given by Salesforce as part of sales application, service application, and the marketing applications, if those features are not sufficient, then we can able to add some more additional features also according to our business requirement. Now, so we can leverage the functionality according to our business requirement. We can able to leverage the features. We can extend the features by adding some additional enhancements. Now, in this case, not only customizing these existing applications, not only adding some additional features, we can build our own custom applications also from the scratch. I'm utilizing the Salesforce CRM application as it is. I'm using the CR sales application, service application, marketing. Along with that, I want some more applications also. Then what we can do? I want some supermarket automation application. I want some banking application. I want some financial automation application. I want some life sciences domain application according to my business need, according to my customer requirement. Then what we can do? In this case, whatever the application that we are expecting that we need, if that is not given by Salesforce ready-madely, then we can build our own custom applications also. By using this Force.com platform, we can build our own custom applications also. We can build our own custom applications also. Those custom applications may be either banking applications, finance application, manufacturing applications, and then life sciences, pharma related applications, anything, whatever you want, any domain specific application also. Any domain specific application also we can build. There is no such limitations in Salesforce. Any kind of application we can build with the help of this Force.com platform, which is a cloud-based environment given by Salesforce by default. So that we can build our own banking applications, financial applications, manufacturing related, consulting related, construction related, technology related, chemical related, pharmaceutical related, any kind of application we can build by using this Force.com platform. Now, and then once application has been built, the most important thing is not only building these applications, if it needed, then we can able to integrate the Salesforce applications, Salesforce applications with any external system, also. The facility is available as part of Force.com platform. As part of Force.com platform, not only building the application, we can integrate that Salesforce application with any external systems also. That means in order to integrate the Salesforce application with any external systems, we are using the help of Force.com platform. Here also Force.com platform. You know that. We know as part of this Force.com platform what we have. So now as part of Force.com platform, Salesforce is providing two programming languages. The first one, you know that Apex programming. Second one, Visual Force programming. First one is Apex programming. Second one is Visual Force programming. Here also, as part of integration, we are using Apex programming only with some additional APIs. Nothing but API means some collection of classes. That's it. Nothing else. So that in order to integrate that Salesforce with any external system, we are using the help of the Force.com platform. That is, we are using Apex programming and the Visual Force. You know that Visual Force is only for representation and purpose, nothing but presentation, user interface purpose. So the backend business logic, the backend integration processes, everything we are implementing with the help of Apex programming. So through Apex programming only, we are integrating that Salesforce application with any external systems also. So that Salesforce is not only giving the ready-made applications as part of SaaS, Salesforce has given a platform also. Through that platform, we can build our own custom applications and we can integrate that Salesforce application with any external systems. For integration, we don't have any additional features. So those are available as part of Force.com platform only. Here also we are using Apex programming. Don't expect different programming languages. Like as for the normal business logic, Apex programming, for integration, different programming, not like that. Here also we are using same Apex programming. Same classes, same methods, same business logic, if conditions, for loops, everything will be same, no change. But some different classes we are using. That's it, nothing else. Here we are using some different classes are available, which are as part of those APIs. Now, as part of this Apex programming, we are having some certain APIs are available. Through those APIs, we can able to use those ready-made classes in order to integrate that Salesforce application with some external systems. Now, so now here in this case, By using the suppose.com platform, we can integrate that Salesforce application with any external systems also. Now, so now tell me, so what are the scenarios which enforce you to go to the integration first? Why should we go for integration, basically? What is the need? What is the need of this integration here?
If we want to get data from other systems,
okay,
external systems,
right? If you want to get some data from the external systems, okay.
Up to or Salesforce migrations or
okay. If you want to migrate, at that time also we can go with the integration, because data migration we can do.
Sir, if we want to do any transaction or any support from the third-party application, at that time also we need to integrate the
Right,
third-party application with Salesforce.
right.
Want to collaborate with other organizations.
another platform.
Hmm.
We need to improve some productivity and quality of their operations.
Like they,
If we want to deploy to another system.
No, that is not the, for that one no need of integration. We are having the deployment features are separate.
Something kind of reports and dashboards to other servers, so that can be useful with this integration.
Okay. So for example,